How yoga transforms your mind and body, the science behind it. Hello, and welcome back to CosmoTech Chronicles, your source for all things related to science and technology. I'm Sushanta, and today we have a fascinating topic to explore: the science of yoga. Yoga isn't just about bending your body into weird positions. It's a science that has been practiced for centuries and has numerous benefits for the mind and body. So, let's dive into the science behind yoga. To begin, let's get a brief understanding of what yoga is. Yoga is an ancient practice that originated in India over 5,000 years ago. It's a holistic approach to physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. The science of yoga incorporates various techniques, including postures, asanas, breathing exercises, pranayama, and meditation. Now, let's talk about the science-backed physical benefits of yoga. Yoga helps improve flexibility, strength, and balance. The postures in yoga stretch and tone muscles, increase joint mobility, and even help alleviate back pain. It can also aid in weight management and enhance overall physical fitness. Yoga is not just about the body, it has numerous mental health benefits too. Research has shown that regular practice of yoga can reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. It can help improve focus and concentration, boost your mood, and even enhance your sleep quality. The science behind this lies in the effect of yoga on the nervous system and the release of stress-reducing hormones. To understand the science more deeply, let's look at the physiology of yoga. When you perform yoga postures and breathe deeply, it affects your autonomic nervous system. Yoga activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for the rest and digest response. This helps reduce stress and promotes relaxation. An essential part of yoga is pranayama or breath control. The science of yoga recognizes the importance of the breath in regulating the body and mind. Controlled breathing can help increase oxygen intake, reduce anxiety, and calm the nervous system. Meditation is another crucial aspect of yoga. It's not just about relaxation, it has real neurological effects. Research has shown that regular meditation can increase gray matter density in the brain, improve cognitive functions, and enhance emotional regulation. It's important to note that the benefits of yoga are best experienced through consistent practice. Even dedicating just a few minutes a day can lead to positive changes in your physical and mental well-being. Now, let's put the science into practice. Let's harness the science of yoga by incorporating it into our daily routines, encouraging consistent practice for lasting benefits. That's a wrap on the science of yoga. We've explored the physical and mental benefits of yoga, delved into the physiological changes it induces, and even practiced some yoga and meditation techniques. If you found this video informative and enjoyable, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to CosmoTech Chronicles, and share it with your friends. And remember, science isn't just about the latest gadgets and gizmos, it's also about understanding ancient practices like yoga that can truly enhance our lives. Thanks for joining me today, and we'll see you in the next episode. Stay curious, stay tech savvy, and stay zen.